Okay, we have a Haas VF2 vertical machining center, serial number 11496. Machine is new in 1997. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle with a 20 ATC automatic tool changer. 1,000 RPM. Machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. It has 30-inch travel in the X, 16 in the Y, and 20 in the Z. 2,500 RPM. Machine is very quiet. 5,000 RPM. $7,500. Again, max on this machine's 10. Simulating a tool change. X-axis. That's the covers moving. Your Y. And your Z. All axes are quiet, except for the cover noise on the X. Machine also has a chip auger and a coolant system, programmable coolant, upgraded with a USB port and an Ethernet port. Hey, thank you so much for watching our video.